We are going to talk about, credit cards and OnestPay, a comparison of it. Now, credit card is very popular. It is uh, based on the Fed payment study, about more than every month, close to about 38% of payments in the US is made through credit card. It's convenient, it is available everywhere, and it is very easy to use. And you, of course, have the MasterCard, the Visa, you've got the Discover, you've got American Express. You've got a choice of them, and then you of course have the credit card issued by all the large banks with airline miles, with hotel frequent flyers. You've got cashback. You've got bonus rewards. So it's a wide variety of credit cards available. So it's very tempting, at a first glance. You just kind of pay it online or in store with a credit card. On an average, in a typical American household has got about 4 to 5 credit cards, and that is a good penetration, and it is a very widely used financial instrument. And when you use the credit card, it gives you an impulsive, like it gives you a freedom, a choice. You can spend as much the credit limit is. So it gives you the instant buying power that makes you feel good. You can buy small items, you can buy big items. And it doesn't have a limit till you, of course, go to credit limits. It empowers you from a spending perspective. But then it comes with the negative thing. The expectation is that a credit card is they're going to pay off the balance every month. Otherwise, so if you are a regular customer who pays off the balance every month, you have got an awesome deal. You get credit card cashbacks, you get bonus rewards, you're getting the buying power. What else you need? And it's easy and convenient. But for someone who cannot pay off the balance at the end of the month, you are basically kind of digging a hole for yourself. The credit card companies will charge as much as 25 to 30% for not making the full payment. They'll charge you late fees, and then these kind of starts piling on one after another. Sooner or later, that freedom that you felt of buying anything you want, it turns to a nightmare if you're not disciplined enough to pay back that credit card balance. And you're going to start getting the debt trap. That is one of the worst outcomes of credit card. And one of the things that all the economic studies shows that American household carries on average about $8,000 of credit card debt. And if you're paying about 25% on that, you can do the math. It's a very huge number for you. So now if you want to wean away from credit cards, HonestPay comes with a solution which we believe that improves your ability to manage your budget and spending, and also offers you the opportunity of not getting into a debt trap. So what is HonestPay is? HonestPay is a very simple concept. It allows you, all the shops or the stores where you shop, whether it's online or in store, you pay them in advance of making the purchase. So it's like a prepaid voucher. So you pay the merchant, like the Targets, the Walmarts, the Macy's. You know that how much on an average you spend there. So you basically pay them advance, and the merchants give you cash back. So all of a sudden, the value proposition that you had with credit cards or cashback, the merchants are willing to match that to you. So you can get for grocery and everyday spend, you might get 1%, 2% cashback. But for say dining, for clothing, for apparel, you can get as much as 10 to 15% cashback. So what happens is that it opens up that reward umbrella for you, and you get quite a bit of money back from the merchants where you regularly shop. And to open up an HonestPay account, you just have to open an account on HonestPay Marketplace, connect to your bank, and then fund the wallet, and then start buying these credits from the merchants. Start prepaying merchants and get in return credits from them. There's no credit check, so it's not going to spoil your credit history. You're not going to get in debt trap because you're going to spend only up to the money that you have in the wallet. And all of a sudden, these credits that you get from the merchants, like you spend $100 at Target, you get $100 worth of credit, they become like a digital currency in your wallet. You can carry it anywhere because it's in your phone, it's on your desktop. You can use that to pay at Target, of course, when you shop later, or you can use that for gifting. You can swap it, say, hey, I bought this Target credits. I'm not using Target that much. Let's exchange that for maybe for Aldi's or maybe for Best Buy. So it's not just you're restricted to one category. You can sell the Target credit and buy Best Buy credits. So from grocery, you can go to electronics because your needs are changing. So the credits that you're getting from the merchant, you can sell it in the marketplace and buy something that is really needed for that moment of time. So now all of a sudden, you've got the financial flexibility of not just spending the money, but also for sharing, for gifting, for trading, for swapping. It is one of the biggest innovation in financial industry. And we believe that OnestPay is going to be a huge competition to credit cards. And it is also going to allow you not to fall in debt trap, promote good habits. You can start multi-family accounts. So it kind of makes you empowered in terms of not being beholden to these large banks or the credit card companies. You're going to manage your own finance and you're going to be responsible for it. At the same time, you're going to earn rewards for being responsible.